Hello, welcome back to a new playlist video. We have already done many awesome things with Pyauto GUI. Now it's time to do some practicals. So in this video we are going to create an auto clicker in Python. So let's get started. I have now opened my folder in my IDE where I will write the code. So as we are creating an auto clicker, I will write it here. And here we are using the Pyautogi module. So here I will import it more where it is an external module and you need to download it by typing pip install Pyautogi in your terminal. So if I want to click here, I can do it with the help of this auto clicker. Also, I have created many videos on Pyauto GUI. You can access it from the description to know more about Pyauto GUI. So to click here, we need to get its coordinates, so we can get it by the help of locate center on screen functions. Now, I will make a variable here named coordinates and in short form coord. Now I will write Pyauto GUI.locate center on screen and the brackets. Now we use this function when we want to know coordinates by an image which matches an object. So I have taken a screenshot of this image so then I can get my coordinates. So I need to give the name of the image inside the double quotes. Now if I print coord, why it gave me an error, because friends I was working in another file, so I need to open my main.py. This was all to give you a shock. Leave it. So now I will paste the same code in my main.py. So now I will run it. You can see it has given me none because the image was too short, so I will give it a confidence of 0.8. Now I will run it and see I got my x and y coordinates. So friends, as you are able to see here, it has given me x and y coordinates in the form of a tuple. So if I want to know the x coordinate, I will make a variable here named coord, which is the value of index 0 of coord variable. So the 0 index equals x and 1 index equals y. Now if I print these both x and y coordinates, you will see it has given me the coordinates. Now to click on the object of the specified coordinates, we will use Pyauto GUI click function. Now I will give the coordinates as variables inside the variable. Now if I run, see it has clicked the object. Now one important thing, see why I have used the locate function, because when I will resize the window, of course my coordinates will change, but it will identify the coordinates and clicked. But if I give it manual coordinates, it will not click the object when its coordinates get changed. See, it didn't click the object when I give it manual coordinates and resize the window. So friends, this is today's video on how to create an object from an image. Whenever I will resize the size of the window, my object will be pressed.